Hello friends. Welcome to PGEUP Tutorials. Today we going for our 8th and 9th class of Camtasia Complete Learning course. In this class we are going to learn about voice narration and audio effect. This tab is commonly used for audio editing. So friends, if you are new on this channel, please subscribe and press the bell icon to never miss an update. So let's start. So let's first explore the voice narration. We can also say voice recording. For the remembrance, you can write the script here. And click the Start Voice Recording button. The recording will start. When the recording will complete, just click on the Stop button. Then save the file. You will get the narration file on the track. Now let's talk about the sound effect. This is the audio compression effect. It will increase the sound. Fade-in effect means it will increase the sound gradually from 0 dB to onward, and fade-out means it will decrease the sound from the current position to 0 dB. Clip speed is used to increase and decrease the speed of the clip. So these are the functions of voice narration and audio effects sections. I hope you liked the video. In the upcoming lecture we'll discuss further sections. And if you like our video, please like the video and subscribe our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to never miss an update from us.